Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add text to your video using the VN app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the VN app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the plus icon at the bottom right, tap on new project. Now choose the video or photo you want to use. Tap next. Now you are inside the editing timeline. To add the text, just tap to add subtitles. Here you can see an option that says title, just tap on it. Then tap add headings and type whatever you want, like a title, caption or message. You can change the font size, color and animation. Just use the menu option that appear after you type. One more text later in a video, just repeat the step, tap next, then add text and customize it again. When you are happy with your text, tap the export button at the top right, choose your quality and tap save to download the video to your phone. And that's it, you have just added someone text to your video using VN mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.